Hello students, today we will see what is a low pass filter. So already we will draw the frequency response of low pass filter. So this is frequency versus gain. Basically low pass filter will pass the frequency, the gain must be maximum at lower frequency and zero at a higher frequency. So here we will get cutoff frequency FC. This is pass band. This is a stop band. Okay, this is the cutoff frequency is there. Now we will see what is the network, T type of networks. So in this network there are two impedance. Z1 is there, that should be divided into two parts, Z1 by 2, Z1 by 2 and Z2 is there. This is the T type. So we will draw T type low pass filters. Okay, how we will draw it? T type low pass filters. So Z1 is there, that will be equal to L and Z2 equal to capacitor. So in low pass filter consist of inductor and capacitor, where Z1 is inductor and Z2 is capacitor. Okay, so we'll draw it. Z1 is inductor, so we will draw the symbol of inductor and this is a capacitor. Okay, so this Z1 will be replaced by L 1 divided by 2. Okay, then L divided by 2, similarly L divided by 2. Okay, and Z2 is what, that should be the C value. So this is the diagram for T type low pass filter. Now we will go for pi type of low pass filters. Pi type of networks. So in pi type of networks we will draw the network Z1 twice Z2 twice Z2. Okay, so in pi type of networks Z1 twice Z2 twice Z2 is there. Okay, so Z1 will be replaced by inductor and Z2 will be replaced by capacitor is there. Okay, so we'll draw pi type of low pass filters. So in this one, this is L, and this is C. Okay, so Z2 is replaced by capacitor is there, but this is a parallel arm. Which arm? Parallel arm is there. This is the series arm. So whenever we will write down the capacitor in parallel arm, just revert it, invert it, it will come C by 2, C by 2. Okay, so this is a pi type of low pass filter, this is a T type of low pass filters. Okay, so student must draw this. Again I will draw it and how to design a low pass filters. So T type low pass filter, so this value is L by 2, L by 2, C is there. Okay, and pi type low pass filters. So in pi type this is L, C by 2, C by 2. Okay, now we will design the low pass filters. Okay, so for designing this, every low pass filter has its characteristic impedance R0. Okay, so first we will put the formula how to find out the value of L. L equal to R0 divided by pi into FC. Pi value is 3.14, R0 is a design impedance, R0 equal to design impedance, while FC is cutoff frequency. Okay. Similarly, C equal to 1 upon pi R0 FC is there. Okay. These are the two formulas for low pass filters, and R0 equal to under root of L by C, and cutoff frequency equal to 1 upon pi under root of FC. These are the formula for low pass filters. Okay, just remember, cutoff frequency equal to 1 upon pi under root of LC, R0 equal to under root of LC, L equal to R0 divided by pi FC, C equal to 1 upon pi R0 FC. Okay, so this R0 is a design impedance. Now we will go for the problems. So in problems, design a prototype low pass filter of T and pi sections if design impedance R0 equal to 500 ohm and cutoff frequency equal to 2000 hertz. Okay, now we have the T and pi networks. Okay, so first formula is L equal to R0 divided by pi FC is there. So we'll put R0 as a 500 divided by 3.14 into cutoff frequency is 2000. So L value is 79.57 millihenry. Okay. Similarly, C equal to 1 upon pi R0 FC, 1 divided by 3.14 into 500 into 2000, that must be 0.3183 microfarads. Okay, now this C value is there, you will put it as it is. This L value is there, you have to put it here. So C value is 0.3183 microfarad, and the L value is, that is L by 2. So this value is 39.78 millihenry. So 39.78 millihenry. 39.78 millihenry. Okay, and the L value is 79.57 millihenry, and C by 2, this value is divided by 2, that value is 0.15 or 16 something microfarad. So 0.16 microfarad, 0.16 microfarad. So this particular problem will be asked for the 5 marks. Okay, similarly the student will also solve one more problem. So design a prototype low pass filter of T and pi sections of design impedance R0 equal to, you will take this one as a 200 ohm, and cutoff frequency is 12,000 hertz. So you should solve this, and you should design the T type of low pass filter and pi type of low pass filters. L is there, C by 2, C by 2, L by 2, L by 2, C is there. Okay, so find out the value. L equal to R0 divided by pi FC, and C equal to 1 upon pi R0 into FC. Just put it, find out the value and write down the design value. Okay, so today we will see what is the T type of network and pi type of network. Then we will design the T type of low pass filter and pi type of low pass filters. Similarly, we have to put we also see the formula for inductor value of low pass filter in terms of R0, that is design impedance, and FC, that is cutoff frequency, and the capacitor value of low pass filter, that is C equal to L equal to pi R0 divided by pi FC, and C equal to 1 upon pi R0 into FC value. Okay, so like this one, you should design the prototype low pass filter of T and pi type if design impedance R0 equal to 200 ohm and cutoff frequency is 12,000 hertz. Okay, thank you and happy learning.